Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we are going to be opening the FabFitFun box for spring of 2022. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer and this is my husband Aaron. He helps me open up or does unboxings with me.
I'm so good at it.
And on my channel, we do unboxings, makeup material, and I am also agoraphobic, so I do talk about that and also other mental health issues. So if you're into any of that, or say you're into all of that, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So if you're interested in seeing what is in my FabFitFun box, then hang tight because we're getting right into it. Okay, and thank you for joining us today and spending some time with you. We greatly appreciate you.
Yeah.
And like I said, this is the spring FabFitFun box, and I think with my history with FabFitFun, this is probably going to be the last FabFitFun box on the channel. But
Because you are fab. You are fab. You are fab. So you don't really need it anymore.
Over the year I've done this, I've found out I just don't like lifestyle boxes. When it came to choices, I always picked the skincare or the makeup. I just like makeup boxes. So I don't like a lot of home good stuff and things like that. So,
Stickers!
yeah, you can
Oh
have
my
the stickers.
God, stickers. I also like to point out, just for, because I want to point it out that your nails look fabulous.
Yeah, I actually did my nails. Oh, and if you watched yesterday's video... What?
Where'd you get it?
Oh, watch yesterday's video to know where I got my nails done and everything. It's the makeup,
You did that. Find out what's on your nails.
Mask Monday. And I am wearing the blush, although you can't see it very well.
Nice.
Okay, you can't even see that, so...
Never mind. Never mind. It's just a reference card.
They used to put all the items in this and made it worthwhile, but now it's just trash. Oh, I am so thankful they don't put... I'm so thankful they don't put the little crumplies in here anymore. That was so annoying.
Look at all that crap that's in here. So much crap.
Okay.
Put your face, beauty. Put your face in the fridge. It will beautify you. Color.
Okay, my box is so small. I didn't get, like, anything interesting.
Anytime there's any space left over anywhere in this magazine, just shove it full of rainbows.
Yeah, that magazine is useless now. Okay, first thing I got were these slippers.
That's what's it.
I don't know what they were up against or anything like that. So don't ask me those questions. If you want to know things like that, go check out TrueWants. She knows. She has all the tea on stuff like that.
She's got the guts. I want to pet them. Good slippers.
I'll leave her link down below.
Good slippers. Nice slippers. It's a good slipper. Yeah, good slipper too.
Hopefully my big feet will fit in this. They do feel very nice.
They are. Pretty soft.
The next thing I got was the spoon rest.
That's a big box for a spoon rest.
It's a big spoon rest.
Yeah, what kind of big little spoon you put in that? when your skin is tired at the end of a long day. It just needs to take a nap. Ah, I got a big spoon rest.
It looks like that.
Whoa.
It is painted 2 colors.
Humongous.
We really need it because our stove gets real messy.
It's called flavor. Soak in the flavor. What else we got?
I got this Christoph Robin.
It's round.
I must have been desperate for choices because I don't usually get.
Good generating mask.
I usually don't get hair care
Mask
stuff.
for your, oh, mask for your hair.
You can really tell I love this box. Regenerating
Love
mask.
This box so much.
I do like a hair mask with prickly pear, oil,
Prickle you right in the hat.
sumptuous hair, revitalized, and deeply nourished. I guess it's just a hair mask. Oh, what does it say on the back?
Oh, that's kind of hard. C'est masque ultra nourrissant la texture. No. This creamy, intensely nourishing mask composed of 97% natural organic ingredients offers support to dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair so it appears not only healthy, but rejuvenated and restored. Give hair a soft look. Formula works to improve the appearance of split ends so hair feels strong and silky. Prickly pear oil, revered for its nurturing omega-6 and 9, helps hair feel supple, while a biomimetic ceramide, that's like a shapeshifter, isn't it? Smooths frizz and split ends to leave hair feeling sleek and soft. Vitamin F complex harnesses essential fatty acids to revitalize the appearance of the hair shaft.
Okay, is it actually
Yeah.
made in France?
Yeah. Hair shaft made in the UK. Yeah.
Really?
That's what it says.
Well, this is something about France right here.
Well, that's the company.
Okay, I'm confused. Okay, I want to smell
It's
this.
multinational.
Oh, it doesn't have a safety seal.
I'll take off that cell safety and pass the settings on to you.
Smell that. That's a very powdery scent.
That smells like vape.
No, it doesn't. Smells like baby powder.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, I'd rather it came in a tube, a squeezy tube, but
I'm taking it just out.
okay.
Dump it out.
Next thing I got was from Earth Harbor, called Glow Juice. This is a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
Glow juice.
Refining Enzyme Mask. I like Earth Harbor stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna make me tear the box. Okay, it's jiggly.
Wow. Wow. Let's try it. Wow. Red seaweed plus fruit enzymes. Is this for your hair too?
No,
Okay.
I don't think so. What does it say on the back?
Friendly for all skin types. A purple paradise. This powerful, fast-acting AHA BHA gel mask naturally resurfaces and cools and hydrates infirm skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, white willow bark, and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity, look of improved skin texture and tone, and a more youthful glow, all without irritating your skin. And breathe.
How am I supposed to use it?
Breathe. The ritual. Apply to clean skin. Leave on 3+ minutes. Rinse. Get the sacrificial knife, and then... Oh, no, wait, sorry. The ritual.
Okay.
Wasn't that a horror movie?
Again, okay. I got something from Hourglass. I think it's a blush. I don't need a new blush.
You need all the blush
The
eyes.
choices were very underwhelming for spring.
That is freaking shiny right there. Oh my.
There's that color.
That's like a bath bomb.
See, there's a...
Ooh, infinite recursion.
Do you want this?
Yes. It's so shiny.
Oh, here's the box if you want to keep the box.
Looks like something that they would sell at Lush. You just plug it in the bath.
You like that?
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay, you can have it.
I mean, mainly I'm interested in the packaging here, but I'll try the blush too.
Okay.
Hourglass.
Okay, and the last thing I have in here is from Kate Spade. I think it's a pair of earrings.
You didn't even mention that it's strobe lighting blush in Incandescent Electra.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
These are kind of cute. It didn't actually come in this, but it's got a little
It
bitty.
came with it,
I don't think I really need this.
but it's got the name on it.
These are kind of cute.
They are kind of cute.
They're little earrings.
Yep. Get that little shiny opalescence going thing. I don't know
Yeah.
if they actually are opal.
They're like just very shiny.
Crumbly. Kind of, yeah.
Shiny squares. I don't know how else to describe them. I don't see myself wearing them on a daily basis. Maybe
Maybe if you were going to Kate Spade, New York. Piece of cake.
maybe.
You want to keep this?
No. So, what do you think?
I think they're fabulous.
Everything.
Oh, I think those are fabulous.
This is your favorite thing?
It's pretty.
Yeah. Well, your ears aren't pierced, so I can't give
This
them
is
to you.
true. I'm so sad.
What am I most excited about?
The slippers, obviously.
Yeah, probably the slippers.
They're good slippers. Very good.
I have these old socks that I wear around most of the time, and they're getting really, really gross. So in this box, I got these Kate Spade earrings. Oh, you can see them from here. They're just little squares of shininess. I got these. Oh, I didn't say what these were. These are Splendid.
They are splendid.
Splendid. House shoes.
Simple. Splendid.
I got the Hourglass blush.
Earth friendly.
I
Earth
got
happy.
this-
Sorry.
Earth Harbor
Oh,
glow
no,
juice,
whatever.
which is an AHA, BHA
Something about
thing
that
for your
works.
skin. I'm kind of excited about this.
Are you?
Hair mask. Although, I plan, since I'm wearing wigs all the time, I'm really planning on getting a pixie cut in my hair. Because my hair has gotten kind of long, and it's hard to keep back in these wigs. So I want to get my hair cut really short. So I don't know how much all these products are really going to do for me. So we'll see how much. Anyways. And
Favor.
what?
Favor.
Oh yeah, this says favor on the back.
Favor.
And we got this spoon rest.
For your giganto spoons.
So, okay, that was my FabFitFun box.
Was it fab?
It wasn't very fab.
Was it fit?
There was nothing fit about this box.
Was it fun? It's kind of fun.
I'm sorry this wasn't.
1 out of 3.
I'm sorry this wasn't a more favorable review of this box, but I will link FabFitFun down below, along with TrueWants. If you want to hear somebody give favorable reviews about stuff, she knows like all the stuff about FabFitFun, you can look up her FabFitFun reviews and stuff. So, yeah, that was spring 2020, and probably, unless I forget to resubscribe, probably the last
That's
batch.
a large proportion of any subscription box company's subscriber base, I'm thinking.
Okay, so give this a thumbs up if you liked it. It's okay if you give it a thumbs down. I understand. But it helps with engagement either way. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you got any of this stuff and how you are liking it.
If you thought it was fab.
Yeah, if you got a FabFitFun box and if you are loving it.
Because fabness really is a personal,
Yeah, if you love this box, let us know. We would love to know if you are loving your FabFitFun box. Because it's all personal, it's all subjective. So, yeah, leave us a comment. Even if it's just to tell us about your day. We love hearing from you. So, yeah, we hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day today. And if you are not, we hope something comes along and kickstart your day so that you can have a wonderful, fabulous, fit and fun day. And throughout the rest of the week or the weekend, whenever you are watching this, wherever you are in the world, day or night, and if you are having a particularly, I have a hard time with that word.
you got it.
Hard time. Remember, we are sending you out those good vibes. And just stay strong. Stay fabulous.
Stay fit and fun.
Stay healthy and
Stay off my lawn. No, it's okay. You can walk on my lawn. I don't care.
okay. Stay safe out there. And okay, I'll see you in my next video. Just stay well until then. Okay.
Goodbye.
Alright, goodbye.
Fab and fit and fun.
What?
Fab and fit and fun.
Uh-huh.
Because Jennifer.
What?
Oh my God, Jennifer. Nothing.
Is there lipstick on your teeth?
Yes.
Still?
A little bit on that one.
3, 2, 1.